Hello, and welcome to Intertechub. Today, I'll be walking you through a simple yet detailed process on how to apply for Intertechub's remote internship program. First things first, let's open up your favorite web browser. For today, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever browser you're most comfortable with. Once you have your browser ready, head over to our website by typing intertechub.com into the search bar. As soon as the website loads, you'll find yourself on our homepage. Here you'll notice the different sections of our platform: home, about, internships, contact us, and more. So go ahead and click on the Internships tab in the navigation menu. Now this is where the magic happens. On this page, you'll see a wide variety of internship opportunities: front-end development and back-end development to data analysis, marketing, product design, and more. These internships cover all aspects of tech and business. And no matter what your skill set is, there's something here for you. Today, I'll walk you through applying for the front-end development internship as an example. Scroll down to the card for front-end internship. At the bottom of the card, you'll see a button that says, Apply for front-end internship. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be redirected to a Google form. Here's where the application process really begins. The form gives you all the necessary details about the internship, such as the start date, November 1st, 2024, and information on compensations, which include a chance to win up to 30,000 Ethiopian birr and monetary prizes. Additionally, the application deadline is October 25th, 2024, so make sure to submit your form before that date. Now, let's start filling out the form. At the top, you'll see an option to record your email. Please make sure this is enabled, as it's essential for communicating with us. The first section asks for your name. My name is John Doe, so I'll type in that. Next, enter your email address. I'll be using johndoe@gmail.com. After that, you'll be asked to provide your phone number for contact purposes, so make sure to enter it correctly. My phone number is 0911345400. After that, you'll need to provide your Telegram handle. Mine is at johndoe9. Don't worry if you're new to Telegram. It's one of the ways we'll keep you updated throughout the internship process. Now here's a key part: choosing your internship track. Since I'm applying for the front-end development, I'll select that, but you can select more than one track if you feel confident in handling multiple roles. I also have a passion for product design, so I'll go ahead and select that too. Next, enter your country. I'm based in Ethiopia, so I'll write Ethiopia here. City, I'll type Addis Ababa. Here's a very important part: uploading your resume. If you don't have a formal resume, don't worry. You can upload a one-page PDF that showcases the projects you've worked on or any problems you've solved related to the track you're applying for. Just make sure it's in PDF format and under 1 MB in size. You'll now be asked if you'd like to receive a certificate upon completing the internship. I want a certificate, so I'll choose with certificate. It's a great way to show your achievements. Lastly, if you have a referral code, this is the place to enter it. Referral codes are given to students who've already been accepted into the program. The top 3 referrers will win unlimited data for a month, so don't forget to use one if you have it. My friend has already been accepted, so I'll use the referral code HAB2345. Now double-check your details and hit submit. Oh wait, don't forget to upload your resume like I almost did. Let me quickly go back and add my resume before I hit submit again. And done! If everything is correct, you'll see a thank you message on your screen like this one. If you made a mistake, don't worry. Just click Edit Your Response, and it will take you back to the form where you can make any necessary changes. For example, I wrote John Doe earlier, but I forgot to include my full name, so I'll change it to John Doe Smith now. Remember, you can edit any section, whether it's your name, city, or even uploading a new resume. And that's it. You've now successfully applied for Intertechub's remote internship program. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and simple. We look forward to seeing your application and helping you grow in your chosen field. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who might be interested in this amazing opportunity. Best of luck with your application. See you in the program.